YouTubers, so this is what we're going to be using for this particular install. It's the Boscam digital wireless backup camera for the hearse. Obviously anybody who knows me knows that the hearse is massive, so and I can't see where I'm going when I'm reversing. So I got this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for you, but you can get it from a few different places. So when you open it up initially, you get two little items in the top. You get the little monitor on the right hand side, which you can fasten somewhere inside your cabin area or whatever your vehicle is, and you get the little button at the left hand side just there as well. That's the button you can put anywhere. It moves around. You don't have to wire any of this up. There's just a little bit of wire on the back, and that plugs into a little like cigarette lighter type thing. Inside you're going to get some instructions on how to use it, if I can get it out, that is. And in there's 3 lots of instructions, and there's also like a warranty card, if you will, in there as well. 18 months warranty card. Have a look at the instructions. We're blokes, we don't read instructions, we just do it, basically. That's all you need to do. It's dead easy. You get this self-adhesive thing as well that sticks on your windshield or wherever you want to fasten it to, and obviously the little monitor attaches to that, and obviously the whole thing then plugs in. Now the beauty of this system is there are no wires. You happen to mess around finding wiring points or hot spots or whatever, you get a bag of wires with this as well. That's the wiring kit that goes with the little monitor. You can plug that in, and obviously that makes that work, so that works quite nicely. And then this is the main bit. This is the actual reversing camera bit, which comes in like 2 little parts really. You've got the big bit at the bottom and a little bit at the top. Now the big bit at the bottom is a solar powered supply. Now as you can see, it's just popped down a little bit where my hand is. That's to plug in. First of all, you've got to charge it up. Charge it up. There's a little port there. See the little ports? Yeah. Charge it up for about 3 hours, 4 hours, something like that. Once it's charged up, it should be right. That's all you need to do. You should need to do it once. That's it. And when it's outside in the sun, it powers itself. In my left hand there is the camera bit. That's the camera bit that fastens onto it as well. Now the idea is you put the plate in between there, your license plate, your number plate, fasten the whole thing to the back of the vehicle basically, and away you go. That should be straightforward. So it's raining at the moment. Again, it's the UK, it's raining, what can I say about it? Not a lot really I can do about that. So as soon as you get a nice dry day, I can get the vehicle out and have a go at fastening into it. The only problem I've got is getting the old number plate off, because I've glued it with some heavy double-sided tape to the vehicle. So we'll see how we're going with that anyway, and I'll see if I can get it off, because I don't really want to have to buy another number plate if I possibly can help it. I don't really want to be doing that. That's it, YouTubers. Thanks for watching so far. Catch me on the next bit when we install this, and I'll see you fairly shortly. Bye for now.